Jeff at Total Value RV with another pre-owned gem. This beautiful coach is a 2015 Thor Motor Coach Tuscany XTE 40AX. Stock number 6707 at totalvaluerv.com. There's your compartments on your passenger side. You've got your Magnum inverter, various fuses. Got your house batteries. You can see it's got beautiful aluminum rims. It's water access to your water tank. Some pass-through storage here with a slide-out tray. An outside TV. Frameless windows. Box-style awning that's on the slide, so you're not losing that distance under the slide room. Slide room toppers. It's got an awning over the entryway. And 2 electric steps. Compartments on the driver's side. Got your 50 amp cable. Looks like your house batteries. DEF fluid. Here's your water door, water station, pump station, and your water heater. And then those are storage compartments, same as the other side. It's got big bus style mirrors with side view cameras mounted in them. An indicator on the arm. It's a 360 horse Cummins on a Freightliner chassis. Inside the 40AX you can see this nice light colored wood. Lots of cabinetry. It's kind of got a bright, homey feel to it, doesn't it? So let's have a look at the cockpit. Here's your backup camera. Everything's easy to reach. Got your leveling jacks, automatic transmission by Allison. Mirror heat. A lot of controls here. And we'll give her a start. You can barely hear it running. Your engine is 40 feet behind you. And we can see here 32,141 miles in this coach. Still in the cockpit, the stairs fold up to make this a solid area for your feet. Here's your main controls, your power management, put your slides out, and your control. Here we've got theater seating. It was kind of a newer thing in 2015. Very popular now. But theater seating directly across from a sofa bed with a TV lift behind it. That will become a window if you drop that down. Got a cantilever buffet, dinette table, 2 chairs, got a TV here, solid surface countertops, lots of cabinet space, cooktop, convection microwave oven, residential refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Here's your mid-bath. Again, solid surface countertops. Got a macerating toilet. King-size bed. With a window there for ventilation. Some nice closet space there. Another television with storage behind it. And here's your main bath. Again with solid surface countertops and a macerating toilet. Cabinetry there. one-piece fiberglass shower surround, the skylight, combo washer and dryer, stackable here, and a huge closet. This is a live-in coach. If you're ready to go RVing full time, this is the kind of unit that will be right for you. Thanks for watching. And again, this is a 2015 Tuscany by Thor Motor Coach XTE 40AX, stock number 6707 at totalvaluerv.com, and this unit can be yours for $165,900. Thanks for watching.